In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert Excel into PowerPoint. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Whether you're working on a business presentation, a school project, or just want to combine data with visuals, integrating your Excel spreadsheets into PowerPoint can make your presentation more powerful and informative. So, let's get started. The first step is navigating to the Objects feature within PowerPoint. Open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want to insert your Excel file. At the top of your PowerPoint window, you'll see various tabs on the toolbar. Click on the Insert tab. Once you're in the Insert tab, look over to the right side where you will find the text group. Here, you'll see an option called Object. Click on that. Now a pop-up window will appear. This window allows you to select how you want to insert your file, and for our purpose, you'll want to choose the Create from File option. Next, click the Browse button. This action will prompt you to locate the Excel spreadsheet you've previously saved on your computer. Once you find your file, select it and hit OK. Now that you've selected your Excel file, we want to make sure it displays the way we want it to on the slide. In the same pop-up window, you'll see an option to Display as Icon. Make sure to check that box because it will embed your spreadsheet as an icon on the slide rather than inputting all the data visually. If you'd like, you can personalize the icon's appearance by clicking on the Change Icon button. This can be a great way to make the icon more visually aligned with your presentation's theme. After you've customized the icon, go ahead and click OK. And there you have it. Your Excel spreadsheet is now embedded onto your PowerPoint slide as an icon. This is a great way to maintain a clean and professional look while still having the necessary data at your fingertips. Now, during the presentation, if you want to demonstrate something from your Excel file, you just need to double-click that icon. Doing so will automatically launch the Excel window, allowing you to view all of your original formulas and data just as you left them. This feature is particularly beneficial if you want to show calculations, pivot tables, charts, or any complex data analysis during your presentation. Remember, PowerPoint makes it easy to integrate your data seamlessly, but it's always good practice to ensure your Excel file is accurately updated and saved before the presentation. That wraps up our tutorial on inserting an Excel file into PowerPoint. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful. If you have any questions or need more tips, feel free to leave them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and hit that like button if this video has been useful to you. Happy presenting, and see you in the next video.